Section 4, Social Media Best Practices for Real Estate Professionals. To me, as a real estate professional, there are things you should and should not do. I never want to say or do anything that will alienate anyone or have someone not pick me. I love the fact that in the world of real estate, we have licensing rules and regulations, and we also have the code of ethics. So if I'm adhering to those, I'm going to make sure that I understand who my consumers are in my marketplace. And I want to leverage all of these free online tools to connect with people, but I want to be their trusted advisor and never alienate anyone based on their personal beliefs and or lifestyle.